Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel E-Commerce project tutorial. In this video, we will cover delete and clear product from cart. So let's see how can we delete and clear product from the cart. So first of all, go to the cart controller. So just go inside the app directory, then http controllers, and from here let's open cart controller. Inside this controller, let's create here a function. So write here public function and function name, which is remove from cart. Just pass here one argument, which is a string rowId. Okay, and inside this function just add here the cart instance and pass here the instance name cart, and then call here the remove method. Okay, and inside this remove method just pass here this rowId. Okay, and after this just return back with this success message, product removed from cart successfully. Let's create another function for clear the cart. So right here public function and function name, which is clear underscore cart, and inside this function just add here the cart instance name, which is cart, and then call here the destroy method. Okay, and after this just return back with this success message, cart cleared successfully. Okay, now save this, and now let's create the route for this function. So go to the routes directory and open web.php, and here after this just create here route and method name, which is delete. Add here the URI cart slash remove slash pass here the route parameter, which is rowId, then controller name cart controller, and function name remove from cart, and add here the route name, which is cart.remove. Okay, and another route, which is route : delete, pass here the URL cart slash clear, controller name cart controller, function name clear cart, and route name, which is cart.clear. Okay, now save this, and now go to the cart index view file. So just go inside the resources directory, resources, views, and then cart, and from here let's open this view. Okay, and now here inside this for each you can see here this is the delete button. Okay, after this subtotal. So here before this button let's add here a form. So write here form and action, and inside this section just pass here the route name, which is cart.remove, and pass here the argument, which is item arrow rowId. Okay, and method post, and inside this form just add here the @csrf @method, and inside this method directive just pass here the method name, which is delete. Okay, and now after this button just close this form. Okay, and inside this button just add here the type is equal to submit. And now for clear the cart, you can see here this is the clear cart link. Okay, and this is the update cart link. So just remove this update cart link, and before this clear cart link let's add here a form. So write here form and action, which is, and inside this section just pass here the route cart.clear. Okay, and then method post, and inside this form just add the @csrf directive, then method directive, and inside this just pass here the method name, which is delete. And after this just remove this, and after this anchor tag just close here the form, and now convert this anchor tag into the button. So just remove this and write here button, and type is equal to submit. Okay, and also close here the button. Okay, now save this. Now it's done. Do one more thing here inside this anchor tag, which is for continue shopping. So inside this href, just add here the link, double curly bracket, route, and inside this route just pass here the route name, which is shop.index. Okay, now save this. Now it's done. So let's check. So go to the cart page and just refresh the page. And now let's remove product from this cart. So just click on this link, product 3. So just click on delete link, and you can see here product 3 removed. Okay, let's remove one more product. So let's remove this one, product 6. So just click on this link, and you can see here product 6 has been removed. And now let's check this clear cart button. So just click on this button, and you can see here all items are removed from this cart. This video covers delete and empty cart item. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the next parts of this series. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.